Hello and welcome to the Gourmet Grandad and Family channel. Today we're going to make a chicken tagine and it's using a special spice called More's spice. I'll put the details of how to make it if you can't get hold of it down in the notes below. Now for the recipe you'll need 2 chicken breasts, a tin of chopped tomatoes, a tin of chickpeas, 1 onion, 1 garlic clove, 2 carrots, 1 courgette, a tablespoon of the More's spice, a tablespoon of honey and 8 to 12 dried apricots. And one thing I forgot to say, I don't have a tagine, so I'm going to use a slow cooker. First of all, peel and slice your onion and crush your garlic. To a heated pan, add some sunflower oil, or you can use olive oil, and then in goes your sliced onions. Now you need to cook these on a low heat until they become translucent and start to go brown. At this point, add your garlic as you don't want it to burn, and then a tablespoon of the More's spice. Then you want to mix that in gently so that it's coated the onions. In we go now with our tin of chopped tomatoes. Give it a good stir around. While the base sauce is simmering, peel and slice your carrot, cut it into chunks as you can see here. And then also cut the courgette, but cut that in slightly larger pieces because that won't take as long to cook as the carrots. Now add a tablespoon of honey, your carrots, followed by the apricots, and your tin of chickpeas, and then stir in to mix them nicely. Now place your chicken breast in the bottom of the slow cooker and then pour over the mixture that you've already prepared. Now you'll notice there's no courgettes at the moment, and I'll come to that soon. Put the slow cooker on high for 2 hours. After the 2 hours, you can check whether your carrots are cooked. If not, cook for another hour and then come back, but otherwise add your courgettes, and now you need to replace the lid and cook for another hour and a half. Okay, so after 3.5 hours on high, everything should be cooked, and now it's time to dish up. Trying to find the chicken. It's here somewhere. Ah, here it is. That was only half of the chicken breast as it broke up in the cooking. Here's the other part. This dish was served on a bed of couscous, and for those of you that don't know how to prepare that, there'll be another video coming soon. I do hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and there'll be more coming soon. Thank you.